Hello everyone. I welcome you all for today's session on digital signal processing. Today we'll be concentrating on the fifth module, that is digital signal processor. In the previous session we have seen the floating point format. We'll be studying some of the examples of the floating point format, and then we'll be concentrating today mainly on IEEE floating point format. I am Mahadevesh, Assistant Professor, Department of ENC, Gausia College of Engineering, Ramanagaram. Before going to the details, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon for further information, or go to the description for further details. So the content what we are going to cover today is floating point format. In this, we are going to see a few examples of addition and multiplication. Then we'll be concentrating on the another one important concept, that is IEEE floating point format. As we have seen in the previous session of a floating point representation, today we are covering two examples. One is addition. Add two floating point numbers, that is A 111001010051, which is equal to 0.640136718 into 2 raised to minus 2. Second number is 0101101011000101, which is equal to minus 0.638183593 into 10 raised to 5. So we need to add these two numbers. Before adding, we have to see that the numbers are in the same format. Now, if you observe, we have a different exponential terms and the sign changes there. Now, first we have to convert it to the same exponential format. Okay, the first number is 2 raised to minus 2, whereas the second number is 2 raised to 5. So convert this to 2 raised to minus 2 to 2 raised to 5 there. How to do that? Multiply and divide by 2 raised to 7 to the same numbers, 0.640136718. As you can just check it out here, which is equal to, so this particular term becomes 2 raised to 5, and when this number is divided by 2 raised to 7, it is equal to 0.005000106, right? So when we convert it to a binary, we get it as 8 zeros 1010. Best way to check it out, this one is that multiply to the Q format. Okay, as we have seen in the previous session. So when we convert it to Q format, the number is A, so it is 1010. So we can easily observe E is 0101 because of 2 raised to 5. The exponential term is 5. Mantissa is 8 zeros 1010. So now it is in the same format. Now we have to add the given two numbers. So then add two mantissas what we have there. So the previous mantissa what we had was 101011010101. That's the second number, and this is the number what we have got it right now. So add the respective positions. So it is 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0.1. So if you see the result, this is the addition of the two mantissas. Okay. Now if you observe the mantissa sign, mantissa is 1, the sign bit 1 is in sign and it is negative. So this shows that it has to be converted to the 2's complement form. So zeros will become 1s and 1s will become 0 and add it 1. So this is the 2's complement number of the fractional points what we have there. So this 1 has become 0, 0 has become 1, 1 has become 0, 0 has become 1. So this is the result of the 2's complement of this particular negative number of a 2 mantissa addition. Now if you observe the position of 1, it is 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 7, 2 raised to minus 1. When you add all these numbers, we have got the result as 0.633300781. 0.633300781. Okay, so this is the addition. So what is the final result? Now since as it is saying that it is a negative, so we have to add a negative sign there. Okay, so minus is because of that particular result. 0.633000781 into 2 raised to 5. When you multiply with this one number, we have got the result as minus 20.265 625. Okay, so this is the result of a addition of two floating point numbers. Now let us see the another example of multiplication. Okay, so multiply two floating point numbers. The same numbers we have considered it here, the same power notations and everything. Okay, if you observe here exponential terms. Now since it was the addition, so we need to keep it in the same format. But the multiplication is not necessary, so we can observe in multiplication of exponential becomes addition. So minus 2 plus 5 is 3. So we have got these three exponential terms. So E1 is 1110 because it's the 2's complement value there, and 5 is 0101. So add these two numbers, we have got it as 0011, which is nothing but 3 in decimal there. So multiplication of exponential, we have got the correct. Now we have to multiply the mantissa part there. So mantissas, and then see the result. Now see how many numbers are there, and then we have to add it. So multiplying to mantissa, M1 is what? 0101, 00051 is positive mantissa, and here if it is observed M2 is the negative mantissa. So since one is positive and another one is negative, we know the mathematics rules. So we get the final result as negative number only. Since MSB is 1, so result is also 1. So result is negative there. So MSB bit will be 1. So we multiply two positive mantissas now. So how to multiply two positive mantissa is that convert this negative number to a positive number. So converting 2's complement to for the M2, we have got this one as 0, 1, 0, 1, 000, 11, 0, 11. So this is the positive number of the M2 there. Now these two numbers has to be multiplied. Now we have to multiply the two mantissa, that is 01, 01, 000, 51 into 01, 01, 000, 11, 0, 11. So we get the final result as 00, 11, 01, 000, 1, 00. Now since we know that result is negative, so we have to convert this number to a 2's complement form. So we have got the result as 11, 00, 10, 4 1s, 00. So now to represent that in a proper format, write the exponential part here and the mantissa part. Converting this number back to the decimal, so we get the mantissa as minus 0.408203125. And this is the exponential term into 2 raised to 3. When you multiply this, we get a result as minus 3.265625. So in this way, we can easily perform the addition, multiplication, different operations for the floating point format. Now let us concentrate on IEEE floating point format. Single precision format and double precision format are the two formats present in this. And these are the representation of a single precision format and double precision format. In single precision format, we can see it is of 32 bits, which is given by MSB bit as sign, and next 8 bits as exponent, and the remaining 23 bits as fraction. And this is the expression what we have there. And for double precision, it's the 64 bit. One is for odd register and then is for even register. And this is the expression what we have it for double precision. Both are same. Only the that exponential term is little bit changes there. Because in single precision, it is 8 bits, 0 to 7. So it is 2 raised to 7 is 128. So we are taking it the minus 1 there. So 0 to 127. So it is E minus 127. So here it is 11 bits. So it is 10, 0 to 10. So 2 raised to 10 is 1024. So 0 to 1024 is what? 0 to 1023 we are writing. So it is minus E minus 1023. Now let us represent few examples for single precision format and double precision format. Now single precision format example, convert the following number in the IEEE single precision format to a decimal number. Now this is an example in the what we have to convert it to decimal number. Now if you observe, this particular bit is a sign bit. So it is S is 1. Remaining 8 bits are exponential terms. So if you observe how many ones are there, now since this is the only one bit, so it is 2 raised to 7 is 128. Okay. And fractional point. Fractional point is what? 1 is the by default representation here, and F is what? Remaining digits what we have. So what is this number is 2 raised to 0, and the position of this one is 2 raised to minus 2. So the value is coming as 1.25. Now once you multiply this with the given representation format, what we get? So minus 1 into sign is 1, 1 point, F is 1.25 into 2 raised to E. E is 128 minus 127. So we get X as minus 2.5. So the given binary numbers, which is in the IEEE format, is what? Minus 2.5. That is in single precision format. Now let us convert the double precision format number to a decimal format. So as we know, this is a representation for the double precision format. Now let us see the sign bit is 0, so 0. And since it is an exponential term is 1, so if you observe, this is the 10th position and this is the 9th bit, so it is only 1 at that 9th position, so it is 2 raised to 9 is 512. Okay, and the fractional part is what? 1.11, meaning all are 0, so it is 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to minus 1 plus 2 raised to minus 2 is 1.75. When you substitute this all things in the given expression, we have got that one as 512 minus 1023, as we are getting it as minus 511. Okay, now when you convert this to a decimal number, so we have got this one as 2.6104 into 10 raised to minus 154. So this is how we represent the number in the decimal format with the help of double precision format. Okay, if you have any questions, go to the comment section, write down your question, I'll reply to your question. Or subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon for further notification, or like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.